Hi everyone, I'm Dr. J. Suresh Kaur, Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss the question bank discussion on probability distributions. See, in the previous sessions we discussed detail about the probability distribution. Now we are going to discuss how the questions are coming in the examination point of view for short answers, long answers, and critical thinking problems. So this we have divided into three parts: part A, part B, part C. Now we'll discuss part A problems. So before going to discuss the short answer questions, first we need to understand the concepts of model 2 probability distributions. We have three distributions. One is binomial distribution, and second one is Poisson distribution, and third one is normal distribution. And the first two distributions are the probability mass functions, and third normal distribution is a probability density function. And we have already discussed what are the mean, variance, and mode of the binomial and Poisson distributions. Similarly, in the normal distribution, we discuss extra median of the normal distribution. Coming to the first problem in part A, see, 20% of items produced from a goods factory are defective. If we choose 5 items randomly, then calculate the probability of none is defective. That means 20% of items, that means p value is given, which is 0.2, defective item. If we choose 5 items, the sample size is 5. Calculate the probability of x equal to 0. That means no one is defective items. We have a formula in binomial distribution. Sample size is very less. Sample size is very less. That's why you can use Poisson distribution. The formula is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factor. But we don't know lambda value. Lambda we can calculate n into p. N is 5, p is 0.2. Lambda equal to 1. Like that we can solve the problems. The same problem, the probability of no misprint in a book is 0. That means p of x equal to 0 is e power minus 4. Calculate the probability that the page of book contains exactly 2. The p of x equal to 2 is. How we can calculate? So, p of x equal to 0 is e power minus 4. You can compare with e power minus lambda. That means lambda equal to 4. Then you can find out p of x equal to 2 by using the formula e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial in Poisson distribution. We know the x value 2 and lambda value 4. You can get the value. Similarly, third problem, assume that 50% of all engineering students are good in mathematics. That means p is directly given 0.5. Determine the probability among the 18 engineering students, exactly 10 are good. P of x equal to 10 we need to find. Like that we can calculate all the values, all the questions. And coming to here, explain the properties of Poisson distribution and calculate the standard deviation of binomial distribution. What are the properties of Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution mean we need to find variance and density. These are the properties of Poisson distribution. Similarly, the mean, variance and standard deviation of binomial distribution is nothing but the properties of binomial distribution. If you know the values or formulas for these, you can calculate all these values. And here he mentioned, it's very simple, p of mod of x minus 2 is greater than 0.01. Value we require. Mod x minus 2 greater than 0.01 means x minus 2 is in between minus 0.01 to plus 0.01. That means x is between 2 minus, that means 1.992 to 2.0. This is x1, x2. This is a normal distribution. Mu is given 2 and lambda sigma is given 0.0. You can find out this one by using normal distribution curve. The properties of normal distribution means it is in bell shape. The normal curve is in bell shape. This is x equal to mu line or z equal to 0 line. The total the area or probability is 1 and half of the area is 0.5 and here also 0.5. Okay. Like that, properties of binomial distribution. The mean and variance of binomial distribution 4 and 4 by 3. Then calculate p of x equal to 1. Like this, all these problems we can find out by using the base of binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and also normal distribution. See, state the formula of mean variance, mean variance, mean variance. See, in case if it is binomial distribution, mean formula n into p and variance is npq. Mode is n plus 1 into p, where n is the total number of it, p is the probability of success in the single trial. Now coming to Poisson distribution, if come mean equal to lambda and variance also lambda, mode also lambda. Now mean of the binomial distribution mu, variance of the binomial distribution sigma square. Now coming to the long answer questions, the first problem, if we go, out of 20 top recorders, 5 are defective. That means P is given 5 by 20. For every 20 tape recorders, 5 are defective. Calculate the standard deviation of the defective in the sample of 10 randomly chosen, n equal to 10. We need to find out P of x equal to 0. By using Poisson distribution, we should do, because the sample size is less than 2000, very small. That's why we can use Poisson distribution. And this second problem also, a car hire firm has 2 cars. A car garage has 2 cars. The capacity of the car is 2 cars, which it hires out day by day. The number of demands per car on each day is distributed as Poisson distribution with the mean 1.5. Lambda is 1.5. The maximum capacity of the cars are 2 in the car garage. Calculate the proportion of days on which there is no demand. That means we can find out P of x equal to 0. On which demand is refused. When it will be refused? If the demand is more than 2 cars, we can refuse. So we need to find out P of x equal to 2 and P of x greater than 2 by using Poisson distribution. Why we are going to use Poisson distribution? In the problem itself mentioned, even though it has 2 cars. The third problem also similar. Fourth also same, using Poisson distribution we can calculate. And this is for a normally distributed with the mean 1 and standard deviation. We need to find out P of 3.43 between 6.1. See, mean mu value is given and standard deviation 3 is given. So we can assume x1 to x2. So first we need to convert in the form of z1 to z2. How to convert? Z1 is x1 minus mu by sigma and z2 is x2 minus mu by sigma. X1 value we know that 3.43 minus 1 by 3 and this is 6.19 minus 1 by 3. We'll get z1 and z2. Then you can draw the normal distribution curve, identify the required area, then you can calculate these values. Sixth problem also same. Seventh problem. See, fit a binomial distribution of getting number of hits. This is a binomial distribution problem. And coming to the ninth problem, the mean and standard deviation of the box obtained by 1000 students in an examination are respectively 34.5 and 16.5. Assume the normal distribution of the distribution. Calculate the approximate number of students expected to obtain marks between 30 to 60, like this. And also given mean is given mu 34.5 and standard deviation also given 16. Same concept, normal distribution. The 10th one also. All these problems also we do like this. Now coming to the 12th problem, if a Poisson distribution, we have a relation P of x equal to 1 equal to 3 by 2 into P of x equal to. From this you can calculate lambda value. After that you can find out the remaining 3 values. Okay. And this average number of accidents on a day on a national highway, average is given, that means lambda is value is given. Calculate the probability that the number of accidents, at least one means less than or equal to 1. And at most 1, x greater than or equal to 1. You need to find these 2 values. Similarly, 14, 15 problems also we can do. Now, part C, problem solving and critical thinking, show that the Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution. That means when you apply limit n tends to infinity or p tends to 0, that means the number of values are very high and the probability of success is very small. In that case, the binomial distribution will be converted into Poisson distribution. The properties of normal distribution, you know that properties of normal distribution, mode also. Explain the properties of normal distribution and calculate the median of the normal distribution. Okay, median also mu. Like this we can solve all the problems and calculate the expected frequencies of the binomial distribution to the following data. What is expected frequency? See, the probability formula P of x into capital N, where capital N is the total number of outcomes. That is called expected frequency in binomial or Poisson distribution. For binomial distribution, this will be changed. NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. And for the Poisson distribution, this will be changed. E power minus lambda x, e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. So explain the properties of binomial distribution that we have discussed. Obtain the formula to the mean of the binomial distribution. Mean is NP. We can prove. These problems all we discussed in the previous sessions. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.